What's up, y'all? My name is Amber Harper and coming at you with Amber Management Fitness Beginner 10 Kickboxing Kicks. So we're gonna go through our knee motions, we're gonna go through our kicking motions, different flat foot kicks versus pointed toe kicks. Now, if you're ready, all I need from you is a space around you. Make sure you don't wanna kick over any furniture or go into any walls, water and a towel as necessary. I'm gonna take this nice and slow from the beginning, warm up first, then work into how to knee, work into the 4 areas of a kick that you need to know going into every single kick afterwards: a front kick, a side kick, a back kick, and then a round kick. And from there, guys, we'll get into some fun combo sets. If you're ready, let's take it. Let's go ahead and get warmed up with a boxer shuffle. Just a nice and easy bounce side to side. Hands up, guard in your face, guys. When we warm up in kickboxing, I like to get you as much physically ready as mentally ready. Kickboxing is such an amazing way to feel confident, powerful, and bad A when you come out of this. Draw your shoulders down your back, starting to engage your core. If this boxer shuffle doesn't work, a step tap right here will, and keep it moving, keep it fast. Because as we're getting our blood warm, I also want you to work through your lower body and get those joints moving for 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work, guys. Hands up, I want you to drive through your knees, engaging through your core even more. Pull your elbows down and your back will get even better warmed up. You can take a little twist. That's it. Now, bringing up your knees is a 2-part type of warm-up. First off, A, it's gonna get you really warm. It's gonna get your heart rate up. B, we're practicing the first part of our kick right here for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, guys. Let's get right into it. 4 parts of a kick. So I want you to go ahead and take a split stance. Doesn't matter which leg you take to the back because we're gonna alternate, okay? So I've got my right foot back. I'm gonna bring my hands up. I want you to think about pulling that knee forward, engaging from your core, and balancing on that one side. Now this standing leg has a little bit of a bend in it. You're gonna be able to lean back just a little. So give me a little lean back. I'm gonna go from the side. I want you to squeeze through your back glute, really harnessing strong core movement. 3 more. 2, use your breath. Breathe out. Last one. Good. All right. So bringing up your knee like that is considered chambering the leg. So you want to chamber knee up. You want to extend out on your kick. We're going to practice doing a flat front kick. Really give me your heel. Rechamber the leg with that knee up and then reset. So you're going to chamber, kick it out, bring it in, reset. You're gonna feel right here, hip flexor has to work. Quad's going to fire right there as you kick out. Hamstring works to bring it back and then reset. So if we speed it up, you can use your hands up to bring that knee. Good. Using your hands, or you can keep your fists up just to guard your face. I want you to breathe out every time you kick. You see me pull my heel back in from my kick to be able to reset the leg. So you've got 4 parts working right here. Take your time with it, guys. Lean back just a little bit into it. Really push your heel out. 2 more. Last one. Nice work. We're gonna take it to the other side. 3, 2, let's go nice and slow right here. Knee up. Good, hands up. That's it. Remember, bringing that knee up first, extending the kick, big flat heel, pulling that heel back, and then resetting the leg. Hands up or guard your face with it. We're gonna go 2 more. Last one. Good, guys, shake it out. Now, we're gonna go into the same idea, but for a side kick. So I'm gonna face you from the side. You can do the same with me. I need you to bend that standing leg just a little bit, harnessing from the core. We're gonna chamber the knee, but now we're gonna take it to the side. So bringing that knee up, it doesn't have to be hip height. You can bring that knee up, keep it low. If you are capable enough, you can take it a little bit higher. The higher your knee goes, the higher that kick will go. But you really want to keep ankle in line with your knee. So watching me from the side, bringing that up, almost like a fire hydrant down on the ground. Those are great exercises to work your hip and glute muscles right here in the side kick. Supporting leg is still bent knee just a little bit. You're getting a lot of oblique work through your core. And I have not extended out my heel, so I'm keeping my heel in first. So it's that really, really important movement to chamber the leg. You don't want to bring out an extended leg right up because you're going to get nothing out of your kick. So you want to power through that kick. Same thing with the front kick. It's a flat heel, and I want you to think kick out, pull it back in, and down. You should really feel your hamstring right there. Bring it up, kick it out, in and down. Focusing on the target that you're kicking. Woo! Taking it slower is even harder conditioning for you because you really have to focus on kicking the leg out and in, making sure this standing leg not only is bent, but also that knee and toe are in proper alignment. You can turn it out just a little bit if you'd like, or you can keep it facing directly towards me. I like to have a little bit of a 45-degree angle right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do some nice side kicks. Powerful. Bring that knee up, kick it out and in. Use your breath, breathe out. Good. Go 3 more. All right, let's take it to the other side. Let's go slow first. Chambering just that knee, figuring out how much your glutes, your hips, your hip flexor, and your core is feeling it on this side. Get your supporting leg in the proper position that's gonna feel best with a slight bend in the knee. Let's go for 3, 2, 1. Here we go, we're gonna kick it out. Big, flat heel. As you extend that kick out, remember, pull it back in and then reset. Boom. So you wanna chamber, extend, rechamber, down. Watching your target. Core's in tight. Leaning on that supported leg. You got this. 3 more kicks. Let's count it. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now we're gonna go into our back kicks together. It's the same idea. You wanna bring up that leg, but now you're gonna think about how a horse and a donkey kick. It's gonna be very powerful. I'm gonna turn my back to you because I want you to notice I'm gonna bring up that chambered leg like I always do. I'm gonna kick out. I'm gonna bring that knee back in. So you're gonna feel this nice and strong through your core. If I do it facing you, you're gonna see knee up, kick out, bring that knee back in, set it down. I want you to lean over with a flat back. So you're taking a hip hinge right there, taking your hips back, leaving your spine nice and long. You've got knee up, kick out, in and down. Good. Big flat heel to take that big kick. That's it. I'm gonna kick right at you. I'm always rechambering that leg before I set it down. I'm leaning over with a flat back over my standing supported leg. Let's go 2 more. Last one. Good. Take the same thing other side. So practicing just chambering the knee, leaning over and back down. Chamber the knee, lean over on that supported leg, taking that flat heel. Let's go 2 more. Last one. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Extend that kick. Good. Extend that kick. Pull your heel back in. I'm gonna show you at different angles. I'm leaning over, and I wanna always pull my heel back in. For 5, 4, you can look back and see your target. 3, 2, 1. Awesome, guys. All right, shake it out right here. Okay, just a couple minutes left. We're gonna go over a round kick. So, shaking it out. Now, round kicks are gonna be what I believe to be the most technically difficult because what's gonna happen to start you off with a round kick? We're gonna do some exercises where you're gonna step forward and give me your heel. So you're gonna swing your heel towards me. You're gonna notice your knee and toe step out. And it's almost as if you're turning around a corner, okay? Remember, round kicks is because it's the kick that swings around. We know the iconic movies that the big round kicks happen. A roundhouse kick, that's what it's short for. It is an incredible, powerful way to kick, and it's because you're driving that power from the ground. Your hips are turning, and you're able to bring a very powerful impact. As you come around and then we're actually going to step it back. Remember, rechambering that kick, and our feet are gonna come back to where we're going. So you wanna make sure that your floor isn't necessarily sticky and your heels aren't sticking, because we're gonna be leaning onto our toe pads, allowing our heels to shift around as the standing foot, and then also with that foot that's coming up to kick. So making sure you're not gonna stick anywhere that you're doing this. Now, again, you step into it, give me your heel. I want you to think the same thing with bringing up that leg. You're gonna extend it, but now it is a pointed toe, so it's not a flat foot. You're gonna kick through laces and shins. This can also be known as a type of a shin kick. You're gonna kick it, pull it back, and we're gonna reset. So taking our time through it, let's go ahead and bring that around. Always pulling that heel back. Good, as if you've got something right here, it's a long, very plush bag, and you're going to kick onto it, snap it, and bring it back in. All right, leaning on that supported leg, turn your heel towards me, snap the kick, and bring it back. Let's go. 4 more, 3 more. Good, always pulling your heel back, tight through your core. Last one. Good, we're gonna take it to the opposite direction. Now, you're gonna notice, you're gonna have one side that might be a little bit better, and that's just with either muscular imbalances, you're maybe stronger on one supported leg than another. You could have felt that in more kicks. I just feel it most prominently when I'm working my round kicks. So let's just start that step motion, so you can act like you're gonna turn the corner right there, thinking about your hips and how they're swinging. So that's where your power is gonna be. Engaging through your core. Let's bring up that knee. Good, point your toe back. That's it, guys. Last one. And now we're gonna kick through. So same idea, kick through, bring that heel back, and reset. Good, step through, around, and back. Coming around, good. I'm acting like I'm kicking the camera, because that's exactly how it should feel. It should feel aggressive, it should feel powerful, it should feel awesome. You wanna turn your body, open it up to another direction, and then turn it back. Allow your heels to move and breathe. Pull that kicking heel back every single time. Rechamber. It's a quick snap. 3, 2, last one. Nice work, guys, good. Now your hips have gotten a killer workout. You didn't have to do a single squat for me. Thank you so much for working out with me. This is just your beginner round. A full workout with punches and kicks is coming up on my channel here soon, guys. Let me know what you thought, how you liked it. If you feel awesome, I hope you feel it through your core, your hips, everything. My name is Amber Harper, and again, thank you so much for working out with me. I'll see you later, but until next time, stay active, live well, be happy.